We have an article on the Parents Corner link of Up to Parents about choosing an excellent family attorney and 9 surprising things you may hear from that person, or 9 things you may be surprised to hear. Let me mention just some of those. Are you interested in saving your marriage? If your attorney is not interested in at least asking that question, I'd be careful. Most of what can help you is up to you. In other words, the more that you do to build peace in your family, unless you rely on my adversarial skills, the better off you're going to be. Just like the best surgeon is the one who says, you know, better that you get your health together rather than you come to me and expect me to put a scalpel at you and make things better. You might be better off if I do less and you do more. And you might be better off if you use services so little that you pay the least fees as possible. Number 4, let's put your wishes aside for the moment. Tell me what you think your children need. The more that you're hearing this from your attorney that's about the children, you probably have there a man or woman who's really trying to move to the forward. Number 5, tell me some good things about your spouse. Tell me some of your spouse's strengths that you're going to be working together where you can put your strengths together. Tell me how you're going to work to build a partnership. Good divorce should be about winning with your spouse, not winning over your spouse or against your spouse. 6, custody evaluations can be as bad as trials, so let's be very, very careful about using those. Number 7, tell me what's good about all of the other relationships in your family. How are the grandparents going to be kept constructively involved? How can you and your spouse work to keep keep those people involved in a good way? Number 8, if you can do so safely, can you go speak and cooperate directly with your co-parent? You don't need to be paying us $200, $500, $800 an hour to attorneys working on things that you guys really are ultimately going to be solving over a cup of hot cocoa someday. And finally, number 9, what do you think your spouse needs? The only way to get a good result in a divorce is to work for a good result for the other person as well. So what is it that you think is most on the mind of your spouse? What does he or she need that you think we can help respond to? These are kind of surprising things for people to hear, but when you hear them, I think you can be assured that you have one of the better and more healing-minded attorneys who can be of assistance to you and your family.